data interpretation for mains. Most of the times, like this DI, they will ask in main examinations, either RRBPO or clerk mains. This DI is related to mixture and alligation. So in this day, what they are given, table shows the total quantity of milk in 5 mixtures of milk, liters of milk and water. It also shows the percentage of water out of the total mixture of a respective mixture. Fine. Which means this is the total milk in P. P is on container. In that container we have milk will be 1728. Water will be 60% of the total mixture. Tell me, if water is 60%, can I write milk will be 40%? Then I can find out milk from milk. I can find out how much water is there. Otherwise, I can find out total how much is there. So how to find out one I will show you, but in here we don't want to solve. But while solving questions, data, while writing data is very important in a separate sheet, because I told you in all data interpretation, one data is may required in coming questions. So while writing solutions, write properly. So that data it may require for next coming questions. Let's solve here. 40% is equal to 1728 if the question is 60% how much. Otherwise 40% and 60% ratio will be 2:3. 2 parts is equal to 1728. 3 parts how much? Easily we can do it. Like that we can find out how much water is there. Now let's solve question. According to questions we will find out solutions and we will write down data clearly. So if you see here, the question is, first question, in a mixture P, 25% of the mixture is removed and then 204 liter of milk and 456 liter of water is added to a mixture. Now find the ratio of water to milk in mixture P respectively after adding. Then let's solve it. We know milk we have in this one 1728. 1728. I need to find out water how much is there. We know already how to find out. Tell me, if milk water will be 60%, milk will be 40%, ratio will be 2:3. 2 parts is equal to 1728. 1 part here I will write it. 1 part is equal to 850 plus 14, 864. 1 part. Then I want 3 parts because I want water. 2400 plus 192, 2592. That will be water. 2592. Calculation speed you required. How I am multiplying? 800 into 3, 2400 plus 64 into 3, 60 into 3, 180, 4 into 3, 12, 192. That will be total 2592. Now what they are saying, 25% of mixture removed. See, the concept is very simple. 25% mixture removed, it is equal to same as 25% of water removed and 25% of milk removed. Both are same. In mixture, if I remove 25%, in that water also 25% is there, milk also 25% is there, then I will remove directly here 25%. So 25% means 2 times off. 1 time off is 864. One more time off is 432. 432. One more time off is 4. This number if I remove that. Okay, if I remove that 432, I will remove 432 milk. Then 25% of this number. 2000 one time off is 1000, one more time off is 500. For this 500 one time off, 2000 two times off, 592 I have to make it 2 times off. That will be one time off is, you can write it like this, 600, 300, 300. I will repeat how I am doing that. 150 minus 2, 148, which means 648. How I am doing, you are confusing, right? Simple. Instead of doing 2592, I am doing 2600. means 2600. 2000 one time off is 1000, one more time off is 500. That you can write it directly. 500. But instead of 592, I am doing 600. I am doing 600 two times off, minus 8 two times off. That will be 648. Otherwise, if you do divided by 4, 2 6 are, I mean divided by 4, 4 6 are 24. Again 4 4 are 4 8 are 648. I removed 25% of the mixture. Removed means this process you have to do it. Now I will add 204 liter milk. Then I will add 456 liter milk water. Sorry. Now I have to find out. Now how much is there? First you can do it this here only subtraction. 400 200 subtraction means 200. 32 in that 4 subtraction means the remaining will be minus 228. Then 1728 28 cancel. 1700 200 subtraction will be 1500. Milk is there. In this if you do 600 400 means 200. 48 56 means that will be 48 plus 48, that will be 92. 44 plus 48 92, which means 192 minus, if I remove that it will be 2400. How I am subtracting? 600 400 200 is there, but I have to subtract 48 and 56. 48 means 56 means you know, right? Plus 8 I need to subtract that. I hope everyone knows how to subtract this. So 200 2400. But final question they are asking, what is the ratio of water to milk, which means 2400 is to 1500. If I do ratio 3 8s are 3 5s are, your final answer will be 8:5. It's a mains question. You have to do like this only. So slowly, and the numbers you have to do fast. That's it. Very simple, not so difficult. That's first question. I hope everyone understand. Second question. If there is another mixture M, so if I take it another container M, in this milk, water, honey is there. So in this mixture M, milk is there, water is there, and honey is there. Fine. Honey is there. The quantity of water in mixture M is 40% of quantity of milk in mixture X. Water, how much we have in M means 40% of milk in X. X, 40% of this. I want to calculate 40% of this number, which means we know how to calculate 40% of this number. 162 into 4, that's it. 640 plus 8, 648. How much? 648. 162 into 4, 648 water is there. Fine. In mixture, in container M. And sum of the milk and honey in the mixture is 80% of the total mixture. See, total in M 100% if I consider, milk and honey will be 80%, means we know this will be 20%. So 20% value is equal to 648. I can find out 80% value, that is into 4. 24 is into 4, that is 2400 plus 192. How I am doing? 48 double 96, 96 double 192, 2592. This will be, this value is equal to 2592. Okay, fine. Next, find the quantity of honey in the mixture M. I need to find out this value, but quantity of milk is 60% of honey. So milk is to honey ratio they are given 60% means 3 by 5. Honey is 5, milk is 3, because milk is 60% of honey, which means milk and honey total 8 parts. 8 parts is equal to 2592, because milk plus honey will be 2592. Then I want to find out 5 parts, because that only question. So 1 part is equal to 8 3s are 24, 8 2s are 16, 8 4s are 32. So 324 into 5, any number multiplication by 5 means half of this number, that will be 162 into 10. So your answer will be 1620. Very simple, not so difficult, right? I hope everyone understand this. If you understand, see, while solving this question, first you pause it, then you video na pause madi first, then you try to solve it whatever you know methods, then you try to see my methods how I am doing questions. So like that you have to do it. First pause, then you try to do it, then once again you observe video. Next question. First pause now and you try, then you play. Now the question is, total quantity of water in mixture X, P, Z together approximately how much percentage more or less than the total quantity of milk in the XPZ? First I need to find out water in XPZ. Already we find out in X, sorry, not in P, because first question if you remember, there you find water. If you see that question data, that's why it is important. Each and every question is important. Here you find out this data. Here 2592. So here again we don't want to find out here 2592. So P water will be 2592. 2592. Easily we can do it. 2592. That value we can find out easily. 2592. The total quantity of water I need to find out XPZ together approximately. Remember that. Okay, remember that. 2005. Then how much more percentage more or less than the total? Instead of doing more or less only, they are asking why we are wasting our time. See, most of them we are going to do like this. We are finding most of them you may did like this. You are adding milk in XPZ, you are find out your milk XPZ, then you may find out more or less. Instead of doing like that, here only individually only you can do it, guys, which means here I can find out in P what is the difference. More or less means the difference only, so difference will be 20%, right? Otherwise the ratio will be 2:3, means 2 parts is equal to 1728. Difference will be 1 part. I can find out directly 1 part. 1 part is equal to, we know that will be 864. We already find out 1 part is equal to 864. 1 part is equal to 864. Next I will find out X value. Here 55% means it is 45%, means 9:11, which means 9 parts is equal to 162. I want to find out 2 parts, then 1 part is equal to 9 ones are 9, 8s are 180 into 2, 360. This is the difference more or less. So why in the Z, why I am not finding? Because it is 50%, means it is also 50%. No reason, there is no gap, there is no difference. So the difference will be this: 800 1100 plus 1224. That will be the difference on milk, because in the question they are asking we are comparing with total milk XPZ. Let's add it this 1700 plus 1800, it will be 3300. 500. 18 plus 17, 3500, not 300. Sorry, X and P I have to add. 1700 plus 1600, 3300 plus 3300, 6600. Then 20 plus 28, 48 plus 66, 40 plus 60, 100 plus 6 plus 8 14. 6 plus 8 14. 6714. 6714. To convert any fraction to percentage into 100. Then don't solve. If you know tables, 2 ones are 3 ones are 8 ones are, don't solve. I will try to guess. 10 percentage, more than 10 percentage, more than 15 percentage, more than 15 percentage, less than 20 percentage, more than 15%, less than 20 percentage. I can mark my answer will be 18.2. How I am doing? You are confusing. How I am doing? You are confusing, right? See, very simple. Very simple. 10 percentage will be 671 means 10 percentage will be 671, but I want 1224. 20 percentage will be 1340 approximately. 40 671 42 means approximately it will be 20 percentage 1342, because double of this 142, but I want 1200. How much less I want? Approximately 60 76 plus 100, approximate 100 less. It is 1 percentage is 67, 2 percentage is less approximately. See, that's the way we have to solve it. Answer is nearest to 18 percentage. Very simple, right? See, like this only we have to solve it. Don't solve. Simple ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಗೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ನ. 10 percentage 671, 20% 1342, ಬಟ್ ನಂಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರು 1224. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 76 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 42 110 18 118 ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 1 percentage 67, 2 percentage ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 134. ಅಂದರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 2 percentage ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, ಅಂದರೆ 18% ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಯುವರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. I hope it is clear how to solve it. Next question. Total quantity of milk in mixture QZ together. QZ. So Q and Z. Together I need to add it. Q and Z. So how much it will be? 3300, 5100. Then 34 and 66 will be 5200. 5200 plus 2, 5202. So milk is 5202. How I am adding? 1800 plus 1700, 3300 plus 1700 will be 50. It will be 5100. 34 plus 66 is 100. It is 5200 plus extra 2. That will be. Then how much percent more or less than total quantity of water in Y and X? Already we know X water. Already we know X water 180 into 11. In previous question we find out 1 part is equal to 180 into 2. You remember, I think, previous question if you see here. Then 180 into 11, 198, 1980. 1980 plus that is the water. I need to find out Y water now. Y will be 25 percentage value. 25 percentage means 1:3. 1 part is equal to 840, which means 3. 2400 plus 120, 2520. 2520. 20 means 2000, 2500, 4500 is the water. Now how much more or less? More will be 702 will be more compared to 4500 into 100. Don't solve it. 10 percentage, 15 percentage. It may be nearest to 15 percentage. Yes. How I am doing? Like previous method. 10 percentage will be 450. Correct. My question is 702. Then answer will be more than that. I will check it for 5 percentage. 5 percentage will be 225. Then 15 percentage will be approximately, it will be 675. But I want 702, which means little bit more. How much more? Approximately 27 more. 1 percentage will be 45. Then answer is not even 1 percentage, which means answer is above 15, less than 16. So I have one option, 15.6. Like that I can tell answer without doing calculations. You have to guess answers, don't do it. Find the difference between the average quantity of milk in 5 mixture together and average quantity of water in 5 mixture together. See, whenever if you have question like this, most of them will add milk in all the containers. Then we will find out average. Then we will find out water in all the containers. Then we will find out difference. Instead of doing that, in the question they are given, see, milk we will find out. Sum of the milk will be m divided by 5 we will do. Sum of the water will be water divided by 5 we will do. Then difference will do. Which means answer will be milk minus water divided by 5. Yes or no? Then do it instead of doing in together individually. We know because we already know some values. We know the difference of milk and water here. We know difference of milk and water here. We know difference of milk and water here, because that is the first or second question we have solved here. So you know this value, difference of milk and water. If you find out here, first question you see that data in previous question. If you see that, okay, previous question, if you write, that's why I told you should write down data properly. Okay, I think this is the first question, that they differ water and this one difference. First or second? I think second question. We'll check it. The question, first, second, third question. See now the here difference only you got here. So P is 864, X is 360. Already I know two data, 864 and 360. Then easily we can solve it. So we know that data already. I know data for the difference between. I know already few. The first one I know already, P data. P data will be 864 is the difference. P data. X data already I know, it will be 360. And there is no difference Z, and Q and Y only you have to find out. You already know value Q and Y. Q and Y already you know. Q you have to find out. Sorry, Y value you already know. That will be 1:3. One part is equal to 840. Difference will be 2. It will be 1680. So Y value also I know 1680. That will be difference 1680. Now Q value only we have to find out. It is 64 means it is 36. So both are 4 multiples. 4 9s are 4 14s. 4 9s are 4 14s. That you have to find out. Sorry, 32 16s, not 14s are 16s. 9 parts is equal to 18 means 204. 1 part is equal to 204 into 16. 3264. That you have to find out that. And I don't want to water actually. I want difference. Even no need to find out water. Difference. One part we know 204. Difference will be 7. 1428. 1428. Now you know. Then find out average. That will be your answer. Because in Z we don't have difference is 0. Here add and find out average. Otherwise average, how to find out average? You can assume all options are nearest to 850. You can assume average, because most of the options are 800 near. 850 is my average. My assumption average will be 850. Then I will take, compared to 850 it will be plus 14. Compared to 850 it will be how much? 150 plus 428. 428. 550, 578. 578. And you can do that. Okay, just do. I will give a time. You can try that. Even just add and do it compared to average. It is easy, not so difficult. Not so difficult. Even I will add it compared to that. Compare. I will repeat once again. If you are not understanding here, I will repeat once again. You can find out average like this. You can add everything, 864 plus 360 plus 1428 plus 1680 plus 0 divided by 5. You can do that. Otherwise, another way I am explaining. Another way. You can assume 1000 better. Instead of 850 also you can assume 1000. Still easily we can do it. 1000. Compared to 1000, it will be less. How much less means 136 is less. It will be more, 428 more. It will be less, that is 640. It is more, 680. It is 640 less. 640, 680 means plus 40. 100, 400 means 300. 28 subtraction means 8. I have to subtract 8 means 32. 332, that we have to divide it with 5. 5 6 are 30. 32, again 5 6 are 30. 66.4 approximately. 800,000 minus that numbers, we have to do it subtraction. Like this we can do it. Instead of doing like this, again we can do another way. Okay, another way. How I am doing now, add this. If you add this number, tell me how much answer. Everyone try to add and tell me how much answer. If you add this, you will get 4000 plus 16 plus 14, 20 plus 28 plus this, 4000 plus 300 plus 32, 4332. 4332 divided by 5, you have to do it. That is your answer. Divided by 5 means double, 8664 point, which means this. That will be your answer. So like this we can solve DI easily. I hope everyone understand this. We'll meet you next coming DI. Till that, bye, and everyone subscribe and share this